If you are trying to find hidden or logged chats on WhatsApp, then simply follow these steps. First of all, WhatsApp has a built in feature to log the chat that hides and protects chats with fingerprint or Face ID. So now, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your WhatsApp account. Now, all you have to do is go to the Chats tab and swipe it. Simply select the chat you want to log, or you can long press on it, or you can simply swipe it and tap on the More option available there. And there you can see logged chat. Simply tap on it and continue. Tap on it and authenticate with Face ID, Finger ID, or PIN. Now all logged chats will be visible inside. Now to open the logged chats, simply scroll up to the top of the WhatsApp, and there you will get to see that it is named as logged chat option at the top, and all of your logged chats are stored there. So make sure to scroll properly. So tap on the logged chat. It will ask for the Face ID, fingerprint, or PIN. Then you can view it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.